Wellstar North Fulton Hospital is unique in that it is a 200-bed community hospital located in Roswell, Georgia, which is just to the north side of the perimeter. We are unique in the sense that not only do we provide great community care, but we also provide a level 2 trauma service for this entire area of the north side of Atlanta. We also provide level 2 emergency cardiac care services as well. Over the past couple of years, we've done many renovations at the hospital. It started with the opening of our new cath labs. We opened 2 cardiac cath labs. That was followed by a complete renovation of our women's and children's services. We also were able to completely renovate our atrium and front entrance, which included the addition of a coffee shop. And finally, this year we are happy to be opening the biplane suite, which will serve our neuroendovascular interventional stroke team.
We're building something special at North Fulton Hospital. It's something that hasn't existed before in Roswell or in Northeast Georgia. When a patient's having a stroke, time is the most important factor. And in Atlanta, where it takes so very long to drive between facilities because traffic is so bad, having a top-of-the-line place in your own backyard makes all the difference.
We are committed to delivering compassionate, inclusive, and innovative care. And these examples are just some of the many ways in which we are doing just that right here in the community that we serve.